Jasper AI review. Is it still the best AI writing tool? So let's talk about it. So Jasper offers you AI agents that can work for your marketing, design, and handling your business. It is integrated with multiple companies like Cox Automotive, Anthropology, Morningstars, and many much more. So what this platform does is it offers you AI canvases, studios, and even has AI intelligence or also known as models, which you can use to efficiently create and integrate with your business. So they offer you modern marketing, offer design, and other solutions in order to improve your businesses by simply just creating marketing and better designs and more reaches and also more results. But apparently, they are proven strategies and real results. So it's not just the AI working. It's also there are some people that are offering you assistance. The only downside with it is the pricing. There is no free plan in order to use Jasper. So once you start, you'll be able to prompt it into a $69 per month on the Pro feature. Although you can start for free for a 7-day trial, you'll still need to use your credit card information in order to apply for this. And if you want to start a business, the prices for those are on contacting them and it's also custom prices. So it's not really reliable. Although they offer a lot of resources like learning, courses, community, and a lot of support from blogs, there's still some downsides to it because it is not free and you will need to invest money that's not friendly for small businesses. So, in my opinion, if you're still looking for the best writing and AI writing tool, then there might be other choices. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.